Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a unboxing new inventory video. And I wanted to do this video because my last video for the new products video thing, like I got a lot of views on that. It was like on 3,100, something like that. But like every morning when I wake up, I go on it, on like the YouTube studio thing, and it tells me like specifically how many people watch it. I'm like, bro, like I'm famous. Nah, I'm playing. I'm not famous, but I have a lot of subscribers already for like 3 videos. I think it's a lot of subscribers. I love y'all. Like the support is great. When I see people in person, they be like, oh my god, you saw Lipgloss, this and that. Like, yes girl, I do. But yeah, like I just love it. And I love making lip gloss. I love selling it. Like, it's just cool. First thing is from, it says it's all sweet. So yeah, I got this package. Don't mind my hands, look crazy, but let's see. Whoever taped this really taped this mad hard. When I get when I order stuff, like, oh, okay, I know what this is. Look how it comes. You see it? Maybe I hear something in the background, don't even mind it. But let me show you the flavors I got. So the first one is coconut. I don't know if y'all can see it. The first one is coconut. Don't mind my hand, guys. My hands is mad ugly. I have mad hands. The next one is peach. I'm so happy. Like, this one is tangerine oil. I wonder how this one smells. And these are really little, and I got this for like $10, all of them together. But they have other ones too. This is pineapple. Pineapple, raspberry, and the last one is blueberry. Blueberry is like white. I'm sorry if y'all can't see, but I got that. If you guys do want me to show y'all where I get stuff from, like in every video I post about where I get stuff, just comment down below and I'll do that. The next The next package is from TKB Trading. I have no idea what. I think this is Versagel. So yeah, this is Versagel. They sent me a whole sticker, but it comes like this. I always get the 5.5 ounce just because the big one is mad money, like $50. Even though like I probably have already wasted like $50 is getting these, but Versagel. You can make like, I think it said 19 with these. And I also got this bubblegum flavoring oil thing. And this is 1.2 ounce. I can't wait to try this. Like, when I'm done with this video, I'm gonna go make lip gloss. Next one is from TKB also. I have no idea what this is. Oh, I do know what is it. Oh my god, yay. Like, y'all don't even understand. I've had these packages for weeks now. Because everything came one by one, literally one by one. Okay, so I got another Versagel. I got 2 Versagels. Oh wait, no. Oh yeah, I got 2. Wow, I thought there was another one and y'all about to be mad hype. And I got different colors. I'm so happy to have all these new colors. Y'all don't even understand. Y'all don't even understand. Like, I got so many of them. Yes, girl. I got Snow White. This camera's so good. I got Snow White glitter. This is really pretty in the light. Like, I got polished silver. I'm so mad because like I feel like everybody has the holographic one, but I want it too. Like, it's just so pretty. I got this pinky pink. This is pretty. If you guys guys saw my other videos, you guys know like I have like pink, blue, purple, and clear. And I hate the blue and I hate the pink. Even though that's what I have on my lips right now, I have this pink one on from Poppin Cosmetics, my line. Even though I have it on, like it's no color, but I just feel like it's so ugly, like. But it just fell. But you know, I got this Ember. This is like brown glitter. I got this random gold glitter. I got Copper Tangle. I got First Kiss. This is so pretty to me. When I saw this, I'm like, girl, that's a must. And by the way, I do get all these color samples just because, like, I don't know if I'm gonna like them. I don't know how it's gonna look. And sample actually bring a lot. But I also got 24K Gold. This is mad pretty. And the last one is Red Glitter Microphone. Microphone. I said microphone, I'm dead. And this one, this is so pretty. This is really pretty. So yeah, I got Versa-Gel, I got new glitters, I got not food coloring oil, I got coloring oil. Okay, and the last one is, drum roll please. My syringes. So as you guys can see, I have clear and I have purple. So I have to mark this with a Sharpie because when I first did lip gloss, like I put like I only had two. First of all, I only had two, and I did every color in both of them. So the clear had some glitter in it, and I had to throw it out, and there's a whole bunch of stuff. So I bought 13, and then that was like, what was it, $20? It was like $20, but listen sis, these is important. And these get like, these are sticky and stuff, but before I use them, I wash them with soap, and when I'm done using them, I wash them with soap. So I do need to get a Sharpie so that I can mark it, because this needs to be marked. And yeah, so this is the end of the video. This video is kind of short, but this is just me showing you guys what I got new. And if you want me to show you guys where I get it from and stuff like that, even though I basically said where I got it from, comment down below and I will put the picture, or just say it, or just put like the @ or I can add it in the description box. Just tell me what y'all want. Tell me new video ideas, because I have no idea what to record anymore. But yeah. Oh, and guys, don't y'all see I got a new background? Even though I do want to get like this pink background thingy, but for right now I'm good. So, you know, I'm not with all the mess in the back with the sounds from outside and none of that. Even though there probably will be some noise in the background because stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna come out with something big.